Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create 3D window from a drawing. I've imported this one from AutoCAD. We have videos how to import drawings from DVG to 3D Studio Max. Please check it if you need it. So first I'm going to draw a line, the boundary of the window. I'm closing it, and then I'm going to create plane from this line. It looks like this. Then in the edge mode I'm going to select the upper edges, both edges, the bottom and the top, and going to connect it and then place it here in the middle. In this way I'm creating two polygons. After that I'm going to select the polygons and then use the inset mode with, let's say, 5 centimeters if I decide that I want to have the mullions with the 5 centimeters thickness. Here we have different modes of how the inset works, so I'm going to choose this one by polygon. I'm going to detach these polygons over here, or you can make your personal shortcut for detach. So I have these pieces, the glass on the left and the other one detached. I'll show you later on why. I'm going to detach this one as well, because this is going to be glass. And in this polygon I'm going to inset it again with 5 centimeters. I do this because I want to make the opening, the part that is going to be open, additionally. I'm detaching this polygon, which is the glass of the opening part. Now if I hide, now these two polygons are the glasses. I'm going to attach them and put some shell, 1 centimeter shell. I'm going to add another edit poly above and then choose all polygons and remove the smoothing groups. If you have smoothing groups on the glass, the shell always creates smoothing groups. If you have smoothing groups on the glass, you're going to get strange reflections and refractions in these glasses. So you need to remove it. I'm going to apply glass material on this one. And these are the frames. For the frames I'm going to use again shell with, let's say, 5 centimeters. And I'm going to hide this line. This here is the opening part of the window. I'm going to move it back with 5 centimeters and again apply some depth. I'm going to bring this glass over here, and additionally here I can go and move this one with 5 centimeters again, so it goes inside the glass. Let me just check if smoothing groups are cleared again. Yeah, everything is fine. And this is a really simple model of a window. If you have additionally to apply a bit more a pinch of realisticness, then you can add a chamfer. I would use the chamfer only, smooth on the chamfers only, and then create really small chamfer like 0.2 centimeters, as if this is made of aluminium. And you can copy this chamfer to this part again. So there you go, guys. If you enjoyed anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below and join us. We have some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.